Hello to everyone. Today I am going to present a project named as Immune Stimulating Formulation to Combat COVID-19. My main theme is Wellness and Prevention from Coronavirus. My team ID is B024. My team consists of Pooja Soni, Nishi Malhotra and Prakriti Pandit. So I will start my presentation with the problems that we as an innovator identified in a population. Most of the population who are suffering from coronavirus are the ones which have comorbidities, for example diabetes or hypertension. Because of this disease they have immune system which is weak as compared to the ones which are healthy, and death rate is also highest among them. And even the elder population which have low immunity are also the one who are suffering mainly. So our formulation consists of 4 herbs: tulsi, ginseng, licorice, kiwi, and this polyherbal formulation gives synergistic or additive effect in a form of aqueous extract, except for tulsi which has to be given in ethanolic extract form. They give their effect within a span of 10 to 14 days. We thought to incorporate these herbs in a form of liquid capsule as they have a low contamination ratio from moisture and oxygen and faster absorption, so this gives more bioavailability. These 4 herbs are chosen because they give a significant effect in stimulating the natural killer cells of the body. These natural killer cells work in an increasing works in increasing innate immunity of a body. This innate immunity work as a frontline warriors just like a doctor. So how does this natural killer cells work? This natural killer cells does not need any kind of stimulation, just like an adaptive immunity. So when we have a normal cell, there is a MHC1 receptor present over there. So natural killer cells identified our normal cells and they do not destroy them. But when the cell is virus infected, the MHC1 receptors are not present. So because of that, they identified it as a foreign or antigen, we can say, and destroys them or are cytotoxic to their cells. So we need your help is to market as well as to make the formulation available to most of the population. So this formulation can be given to infected as well as non-infected patients, so their innate immunity will be stimulated and recovery rate will increase and death rate will decrease.